This is how the sun can greatly harm us right today. Mars has already suffered from this. Many people don't know, but in fact solar flares can be dangerous for us. The flare energy sends a clump of highly radioactive plasma into space. Solar flares come in different types and at different speeds, but sometimes they reach speeds of 1400 miles per hour. The flare energy sends a clump of highly radioactive plasma into space. Solar flares come in different types and at different speeds, but sometimes they reach speeds of 1400 miles per hour. Imagine that something the size of Mount Everest came off the sun and flew into space. Sometimes a cloud of this radioactive plasma simply flies through space, but sometimes it is directed towards us. This phenomenon is also called solar wind. It carries a huge amount of radioactive particles 149 million kilometers toward us. Traveling to Earth takes several days, but sometimes particles move so fast that they reach Earth in 16 hours. This wind can damage satellites and power plants. Solar wind particles are mainly broken up by our Earth magnetic fields. But also the strong solar wind gradually knocks particles of our atmosphere into outer space. Mars has no atmosphere because it has no magnetic fields to protect it for these particles. For millions of years, the atmosphere of Mars was simply carried away by these particles into outer space.